Hi, I'm back. I'm Rebecca Mielke and I'm a style strategist, and I've had a super busy July, and then last week I skipped doing a video because I actually got COVID. Yeah, but I'm back. I'm back with a topic that was requested by some friends that are in my ladies business community with me. And so if you have a topic or a question you'd like me to make a video about, please leave a comment below and we'll see what we get. So today's general topic is color. First, I'm going to explain color resonances, what they are, and how you use it as an artistic principle. And then I'm going to give you 2 ways to use color to appear more approachable and 2 ways to use color to appear more powerful. So first off, what a color resonance is, it's if you were going to create a painting and you were mixing your color pigments, you could tint them with white, you could shade them with black, you could toast them by adding some brown, or you could mute them with either gray or the complement of the color. Those are considered resonances. There's also washed, but it doesn't show up in fabric very often, so we don't use it very often. That would be just if you were going to take the pigment and thin it with just water. So I'm not going to address that one. And then the pure colors are typically perceived as intense. So the others are used more commonly in clothing. So the first one, tinted, lightened with white. Those are the lighter colors, and they give an appearance of lightheartedness, innocence, sweetness. Yeah, so they either may or may not connect with you depending on your personal characteristics. Second is shaded, and that's darkened with black. The color is whatever color it is plus black. And it's darker, it appears serious, it can give the impression of being profound, mysterious. And again, that may or may not resonate with you based on your personal characteristics. Third, toasted. Most people haven't heard of this, but this is anytime you're using one of the toners that's found in nature, one of the shades of brown. And so, I mean, people's inherent colors, a lot of it does have some element of brown in it. These colors are, they would be perceived as warm, mellow, rich, luscious. If you've got a color that's got a little bit of brown added to it. It can look just like you took the piece of whatever and popped it in the toaster. Okay, and then the final one is muted, and I think that's generally well understood as being either having gray added to the color or the complement of the color. Toning it down so it's softer, and it gives an appearance of softness, gentleness, subtleness. If you are a really subtle person, you can support that with muted colors. Yeah, so use these resonances to communicate who you are. Use this information to help you understand what you really prefer, and then just, make that you. You're an individual. You can also like have different moods. So maybe you have, usually you wear shaded things, but on a, sunny day at the beach, you want to wear tints. It's all individual to you. Okay. So 2 ways for you to use color to appear approachable. One is to wear the colors that are inherent on your body. Your eye colors, your lip color, your hair color, and your skin colors. Or colors that connect with these. Also, the second way is to wear low value contrast compared to your skin. So for me, if I was to wear a really, like a really light color, whether or not it was one that was on me, that is more approachable. If I had really super dark skin, then wearing a dark color rather than a light color gives the more approachable look. So to appear powerful is basically the opposite. So a really dark color on a very light person, even like black, can be perceived as a power color. For me, I don't like to wear black. I feel like it sucks the life out of my face, so I would probably prefer like a dark indigo or emerald green or something. So, and then if you're really very dark skinned, you take that, and white is the power color because it's such a high contrast. And yeah, I see that illustrated in certain like church traditions. There are some church traditions that wear white robes and others that wear black robes. And anyway, it's just interesting, the connection to power. The second way to appear powerful is to use your red. So there's two different ways of wearing red. If you wear red and you use more tailoring and masculine, powerful shapes, like a red suit, that type of thing, that's more powerful, like on the business side. And then on the romantic side would be more of draped, soft, more feminine styles. That's it. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.